Afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's October 11th. Bullish report today in the grains as far as corn. Maybe a little negative here for beans, maybe a little weaker for wheat, but everything closing higher. Corn up 36.5 cents today. Beans up 25 1/4, with wheat jumping about 16 1/4 cents, more or less following suit. But this corn took out some resistance areas. Really shot higher right off the bat once these numbers were released, and had stayed strong all day. Beans, on the other hand, we did see an early rally. We were up quite a bit, but we did back off a little bit there at the close, still hovering, though, near that 15.50 level for these beans. Question is going to be, can we see some follow-through? With corn, we're still going to struggle here as we still try to find demand. So, yes, this report was bullish, but we still need to see some demand come in here and maybe try to take that next leg higher. But this was some food for the bulls today, and you've got guys talking that we still could see some higher levels yet. But I think what it does here is it makes that 705 spike low that we had a few weeks back. It makes that a very interesting area here at this point. But continue watching this over the next couple of days, see if we get a little profit taken here tomorrow, or are these guys going to come in for a second day and try to keep this strong once again. But the numbers certainly today were a little friendly on corn. Looking at some of the outside markets, not a lot of movement. The dollar down about 16 cents, supporting crude oil up about $1.20. So we're at 92.50 right now for crude. We're back above that $90 level and holding above that again for another day today. But we'll see if we can do that. Typically, and what we've seen over the last few weeks, we've seen some profit taken here on Fridays. As far as the livestock, fat cattle down about 57 cents today, and that puts that right at about 126 for December. And this is after we've seen box beef this morning, a little stronger. Choice up 48, select up 96 cents. Should have been a little supported, but not only from that, we saw 125 trade today as far as the cash. That's $1 higher again this week. So $1 higher last week, $1 higher again this week. Guys were expecting maybe steady, but it's carrying this trend that we've been seeing, a little higher trade over the last couple weeks. Now in hogs, 50 cents lower for December. We've been talking about a seasonal decline that we typically get for these December, at least the December contract and into the Febs. We were down about 50 cents today at 77.60. Looking at that, we've got some good resistance at today's highs, so continue watching that. But if we do see this cash market start to turn around and we see cash hogs start to decline a little bit, these futures may lead the way down. But continue looking at that. The cash market will be key here for these hogs. With the grains tonight, I do imagine we're going to see some choppy trade, and we may get maybe a little stronger trade here off the bat for corn and wheat. Beans, near the close, they did back off, so maybe we can open up these beans a little bit lower here overnight. But I don't expect any major moves until we get some volume in there tomorrow morning. But give us a call with any questions that you have. Reach us here at 800-262-7538, or check us out online at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys had a great day today. We'll talk to you tomorrow.